friend, in this video lecture I am going to discuss about time series ETS tool inside Alteryx. So here I am going to use Microsoft SQL Server tables is my source. So let's go to Alteryx. Here drag this input data and here click on this drop down. Now next this going to connect with SQL Server. So how to connect with SQL Server, that I already discussed. Now here I'm going to use this employees table. Double click on it, select this star. Okay, so SQL Server table that's come there, the name is employees. Select a star from employees. You can see this is the employees table record. Now here after let's go time series, and if you click on this ETS, so here you can get estimate or univariate time series forecasting model using exponential smoothing method. So this is what the ETS tool. Drag this. It has 1 incoming, 3 outgoing. Stabilize the link, and it needs 3 outgoing. So let's back there. Input output. Drag this browse for output, browse for report, and this browse for interactive report. Now double click on it. So here it will take only numerical field like employee ID. So here you can see there are different columns are there, but it select only here, it select only numerical field. Now give here model name MDL underscore ETS. So by default it's selected monthly. You can change, so I will do it later. Now click on this run. So since the numbers of rows are 107, 13.8k is the size, so it will take only few second times to complete the workflow running process. Now here you can see input data, this all here, item, location, all those things. It's successful, there is no any problem. Now click on this report, and here plot time and exponential smooth model, and this things you get, and decomposition ETS by AAN method. So here observed slope level, and here forecast ETS AAN method. Here this is minimum value and maximum value that go till this point. Now if I scroll down, here you can see method AAN. Here this all calculated value AIF minus INF alpha state value, and this is here you can get interactive report. So observed level and slope and forecast AA, so minimum value and maximum value. So like that I can change here. So let's select this file, so we can change with some files. So going to use here customer. So here you can see this is the customer. Now click on this, and record ID it's automatically taken. Now let's select annually, rerun. So here total numbers of rows are 4045. Records read from this location, and since numbers of rows are higher, so it will take some time to complete this workflow. So in previous lecture that I discussed data investigation and this all those things, you can see on my previous videos. So it's completed. Now here you can see this is the report, and since our numbers of rows are higher, so it's calculated 0,000 this all, and here it's start from this location, this the minimum, maximum, and AI this all was minus INF. Now it has some values, and here you can see this is the interactive report. So here this is observe. So this calculated value on the exponential. So here you can see EEE and the minimum value, maximum value. So this is the way we can use here ETS tool inside Alteryx. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.